Does Folifort really work? Is it worth buying Folifort? If you don't want to throw your money away, and you don't want to regret of buying Folifort, stay here with me and watch this review till the end because you need to know some important things before buying this product. Hello, I'm Tiffany and I decided to record this video review to clear all your doubts about Folifort. There are a lot of people out there on the internet saying things that don't match the reality about Folifort. The first super important thing you need to know is, the original Folifort is only sold on the official website of the producer. It is not sold on any other website. So if you are thinking about buying Folifort, buy it on the official website, so you avoid a lot of problems such as not receiving the product, not having any results, and so on. To help you, I left here in the description of the video the link to the official website of Folifort, okay? Now let me ask you a question. You lose hair every day and it's bothering you, it's messing with your self-esteem, putting you down. That's why you are looking for an effective formula that can accelerate hair growth, making you feel better and more beautiful again? If your answer is yes, well then Folifort is for you. But what is Folifort? Does Folifort really work? And the answer is yes, Folifort really works. Folifort is a 100% natural supplement that aims to rejuvenate the hair follicles for treating hair fall and promoting hair growth. The supplement is scientifically tested and verified for its effectiveness. The Folifort formula comes in capsule form and one bottle of the supplement consists of 60 capsules. It combats thinning hair by promoting hair regeneration. So, altogether the supplement revitalizes natural hair growth. The Folifort Hair Growth Supplement was created by Alma F. The supplement was formulated after 7 years of research and testing to help people in overcoming hair loss and rejuvenate hair follicles for healthy hair growth. Folifort Anti-Hair Loss Supplement consists of powerful ingredients that are proven to aid in natural hair growth. The Folifort Anti-Hair Loss Supplement is made with powerful natural ingredients that have been proven to support hair growth. Check out the Folifort ingredients. FOT is a Chinese hanging plant that has miraculous properties when it comes to supporting hair rejuvenation. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7. It stimulates keratin production, thus increasing the rate of follicle growth and making your hair much more resistant to shedding. This vital mineral is necessary for the activity of over 300 enzymes in your body. By increasing your zinc to optimum levels, you'll maintain the oil glands which nurture and protect your hair from environmental damage. Vitamin B5, also known as pantothenic acid, vitamin B5 helps rebuild your individual hair shafts, shielding your follicles from damage incurred due to blow-drying and aggressive shampoo formulas. Horsetail extract is known to improve the circulation of your blood, including the circulation on your scalp. When your scalp gets enough blood, it increases its ability to produce more hair. Nettle roots are rich in silica and sulfur, which work in tandem to make your hair shinier and healthier. Saw palmetto is a small palm tree whose fruit blocks the activity of an enzyme that converts testosterone into DHT. It aids in combating hair deterioration by reducing the uptake of DHT in hair follicles and decreasing its ability to bind to specific hormone receptors. White peony root is an increasingly popular supplement due to its ability to support hair growth from the inside out. The presence of white peony in your system acts as a shield for your scalp that protects it from irritation and flaking. The fact is, thousands of people are having great results with Folifort. But pay attention to what I'm going to say now. In order for you to also have great results with Folifort, you need to do two very important things. First, you will need to follow the manufacturer's guidelines and do the treatment correctly. Only then will you be able to enjoy all the benefits of Folifort. Take the treatment seriously. Second, I already said this at the beginning of the video and I will repeat it. You must purchase the product through the official website, and the link to the official website is in the description of the video. By purchasing from the official website, you guarantee that you are buying a quality product that has been tested and approved by thousands of other customers. And another really cool thing about buying through the official website is that Folifort comes with a 100% money-back guarantee, 60 full days from your original purchase. If you're not totally and completely satisfied with Folifort or with your results within the first 60 days, you can ask the guarantee. Just that, in my opinion, already shows the quality of the product and how the manufacturer really cares about the results that customers will have when using Folifort. To conclude the Folifort review, let's talk about values. Folifort is sold in packages of 30, 90, and 180 days of treatment. I recommend the 90-day or 180-day packages because you can do the treatment longer for less money and still have free shipping on either of these two packages. Well, that was the Folifort review, and I hope I have helped you to decide whether or not to buy Folifort. If you think this video helped you in any way, leave your like, your comment, or if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, okay? It was a pleasure to make this video for you, and until the next video.